Vacuuming and charging refrigerant on a mini split unit is one of those tasks that can totally mess up your system if you don't do it right, so you gotta know the exact steps to avoid costly headaches. Alright, first things first, when you're vacuuming the mini split, make sure you hook up your vacuum pump properly and run it long enough to pull all the moisture and air out. That's crucial, because any leftover moisture can freeze and block your system later. Next, when you're charging the refrigerant, go slow and steady, adding it bit by bit while keeping an eye on the pressure gauge so you don't overcharge or undercharge the unit. Always double check your connections before you start to avoid leaks, and use the right type of refrigerant for your model. Mixing them up can wreck the whole system. When it comes to screwing the valve core back in under pressure, you gotta push forward as you screw it in. This helps seat the valve correctly and stops refrigerant from leaking out or the valve from getting damaged. Keep your pressure steady while turning, and then confirm there's a good seal after you're done by watching for any pressure drops. Also, wearing gloves and safety goggles isn't just a good idea. It's necessary because refrigerant is super cold and can cause burns or eye injuries. Lastly, always follow the manufacturer's guide for your specific mini split model because not all units charge the same way. One of the biggest mistakes people make during vacuuming and charging refrigerant on a mini split unit is not pushing forward as they screw the valve core back in under pressure, which causes leaks and system inefficiency. Fix this by applying steady forward pressure while turning. Another common issue is running the vacuum pump for too short a time. This leaves air or moisture inside that ruins cooling performance. You need to run it until your vacuum gauge hits about 500 microns or lower. Lastly, using the wrong refrigerant or overcharging the system can mess with your mini split's efficiency and even damage components. Always check your model's specifications and charge slowly while monitoring pressures closely. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by helping homeowners find trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle jobs like vacuuming and charging mini split units safely. It also gives contractors a solid platform to connect with people who need their skills, so everybody wins.